Hi guys, once again welcome back to my channel. I'm Surbhi Jain and today in this video I'm going to share some tips and tricks of how you can take care of yourself in this monsoon. So let's quickly get into the video. Monsoon is finally here to relieve us from the scorching heat of the summer, but the monsoon has its own shares of drawbacks. As the season changes from summer to rainy, mask wearers experience a lot of skin issues during this time because the mask really makes your skin dry and itchy and chapped. So it is very important for one to drink a lot of water and keep your skin hydrated, because hydrated skin produces less oil and that helps you to keep your skin much healthier. Eat colorful diet to help cells and your skin to stay hydrated. Avoid wearing makeup. Yes, avoid wearing makeup under your mask, because when you apply makeup, it's layers of different products. So when you do that and wear a mask on top of it, the makeup, the chemical mixes with each other, ultimately results in breakouts and pimples and acne. So please avoid wearing makeup under your mask. Although it's rainy season, but do not forget your sunscreen. Yes, do not forget your sunscreen, because it is very important. Although it's rainy season, it is very important for one to wear sunscreen. Always come home and take a shower, because the rainwater damages your skin. So after taking a shower, also moisturize your skin with waterproof skin moisturizer. Yes, so it is very important to clean your skin even after washing your face, because a lot of dust particles and a lot of makeup particles remains into your skin even after washing your face. So after cleanser, always apply toner and then apply some light moisturizer. It's very important for your skin to stay healthy, so always apply CTM to your skin. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope all the tips were helpful and I hope you guys are taking care of yourself in this pandemic. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Bye!